Alright guys, so we're going to try to start this thing back up without getting hurt again, because I literally took off the skin off the end of my finger, about half of it, and I got it to the idle speed. So I think we need to throw a hose clamp on there though. Actually, we won't throw a hose clamp on it, we'll throw tape over it. Well, yeah, let me go get a hose clamp. I don't want to take a chance on that running away again. Alright, got a hose clamp and a screwdriver. I don't know where my flathead went, so I'm borrowing Dad's. I'm going to turn that around like this. Like that. Alright. That's how I want it. And I can't use anything with my middle finger because I basically cut the end of it off. So let me get this hose clamped on there and get everything done, and we'll start it back up. Alright, so I got the hose clamp on and everything. I think we're good. So I hope that's sealing up. It should be. So we'll try it again and hopefully not get hurt this time. Yeah, I was looking for this wire right here when I got hurt. I gotta open up that valve some more, that throttle. Only leaking? No. Alright, squirt a little more fuel in there. Make sure we're not leaking. Make sure we got everything sealed up. And we'll start doing this. I guess we're good. Alright, so that's better. It didn't run very fast, which is good. But it is loud. Very loud. that cover might not be working right. Yeah, we're not getting fuel. So, I think I'm gonna wrap this up for the day. And it's supposed to be raining for this week, and then or this weekend, and then about most of the week or so. So probably a while before am able to get back on this. So I'll cover it up, go in, I'll start working on posting videos, and I'll see you in the next one.